In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and close multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo. Tabs make it easy to jump between searches and sites without losing your place, and the DuckDuckGo browser keeps this fast and simple. I'll walk you through opening and closing tabs using both your mouse and keyboard so you can work the way that feels most comfortable. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. When it launches, look along the top of the window for the tab bar. You'll see your current tab, usually showing the DuckDuckGo start page or whatever site you last visited. This bar is where you'll manage everything in this video, so keep your eyes there. To open a new tab with your mouse, find the small plus icon on the tab bar. It typically sits to the right of your existing tabs. Click that plus once to open a fresh tab. You can repeat that click to open as many tabs as you need. Each new tab gives you a clean space to start a new search or load a different website, and you can switch between them just by clicking their titles along the top. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, try widening the window or hovering your mouse toward the far right of the tab bar. It may appear when there's space. To close a tab with your mouse, move your cursor over the tab you want to shut and click the X that appears on that tab. This closes only that one tab and keeps the rest of your session intact. Be sure you're clicking the X on the tab itself, not the Windows Close button, which would quit the entire browser. If the X is hard to see, hover your mouse on the tab and it should become visible. For a faster way to open tabs, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl and T together and a brand new tab opens instantly. This is great when you're in the middle of typing and don't want to reach for the mouse. Pressing Ctrl plus T multiple times creates multiple tabs quickly. On many keyboards, this shortcut works from anywhere inside the browser, whether you're on a web page or the address bar. To close the current tab with the keyboard, press Ctrl plus W. This immediately closes the tab you're viewing and moves you to the next available tab. It's a quick, precise way to tidy up. Keep in mind that if you only have one tab open, closing it may close the browser window as well, so use it with that in mind. That's it. With the plus button, the X, Ctrl plus T, and Ctrl plus and Ctrl plus W, you can open and close multiple tabs in DuckDuckGo efficiently and stay focused on what matters.